Imagine flying hundreds of feet in the air and capturing absolutely everything around you all at once. No blind spots, no missed shots, just pure 360-degree freedom. For the longest time, if you wanted to shoot a 360 video, you had to mount a camera on a stick. But today, the game has completely changed. Welcome to the era of the 360 drone. A few months ago, a company called Antigravity, which was incubated by the legendary creators at Insta360, launched the A1. It was the world's first true 360 drone. But now, the king of the drone world has entered the chat. DJI is officially releasing their version, the brand new DJI Avata 360. If you're sitting there wondering why you even need a 360 drone, the answer is simple. You capture everything. Both of these incredible machines feature a 4K camera on the top and a 4K camera on the bottom. You just fly the drone, enjoy the flight, and when you get back home, you use their software to pick the exact camera angle you want. You can look up, down, left, or right long after the drone has landed. But after testing both of these drones, there are some massive differences you absolutely need to know before you spend your hard-earned money. Let us dive into the ultimate battle between the DJI Avata 360 and the Antigravity A1. The very first thing you will notice when you hold these two drones is the weight. The Antigravity A1 is incredibly light. It weighs under 250 grams. This is a massive deal. In many places, flying a sub-250-gram drone means you do not have to deal with strict FAA registrations. It folds down to be nice, small, and extremely compact. You can easily throw it into a tiny backpack. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 360 is definitely heavier than 250 grams. So if staying under that legal weight limit is important to you, the Antigravity A1 is calling your name. But do not count DJI out just yet. While the A1 wins on portability, it loses big time on durability. The Antigravity A1 does not have any propeller guards. The blades are completely exposed. If you want to fly through tight spaces, hit small gaps, or fly near trees and buildings, you'll be sweating. One tiny mistake, and the A1 is going down. The DJI Avata 360, however, is built like a tank. It comes with thick, durable propeller guards. You will feel so much more confident flying the DJI in tight quarters because it can take a serious beating. Luckily, if you do crash, both companies were smart enough to include replaceable lens kits. If you scratch the glass on either drone, you can easily pop it off and replace it without buying a whole new drone. Now let's talk about taking off and landing, because this is where things get really interesting. The Antigravity A1 has fixed cameras on the top and bottom. To prevent you from smashing that bottom lens into the dirt when you land, the drone has tiny little feet that pop out. It is a cool idea, but there's a major flaw. When you're setting the drone down to take off, you have to remember to manually pull those feet out first. If you forget, you will put the drone right on its bottom camera and scratch the lens immediately. It is super frustrating. DJI noticed this problem and fixed it in the smartest way possible. The bottom camera on the DJI Avata 360 is not fixed. When you tell the drone to land, the entire camera module literally swivels and tucks safely inside the drone body. This exposes a set of solid landing feet. You never have to worry about scratching the lens on the ground. It is pure genius. Speaking of cameras, the Avata 360 has another amazing trick up its sleeve. It offers a single lens mode. You can point one camera straight ahead and just record raw, standard forward-facing video without any 360 stitching. The Antigravity A1 cannot do this. You are stuck shooting stitched 360 video forever. When it comes to actually flying the drone, the experience is completely different between the two. The Antigravity A1 is very limited. You can only fly it using their motion controller and their specific goggles. There is no traditional remote control available right now. Plus, the battery for the A1 goggles is still an annoying external brick that you have to plug in and put in your pocket. It is so easy to leave it at home by mistake. DJI completely crushes the competition here. With the Avata 360, you can use the brand new FPV goggles 3 with the battery built right into the headset. You can use a motion controller. But the best part is, you can use the DJI RC2 remote control. This is a standard remote with regular joysticks. If you have ever flown a regular drone before, you will feel right at home instantly. You also get DJI's legendary transmission system. Their video signal is rock solid, giving you crystal clear video from thousands of feet away. Antigravity is brand new to making drones, And while their cameras are great, their signal strength simply cannot compete with DJI's years of experience. But what happens after you finish flying? This is where the Antigravity A1 strikes back. Because Antigravity was born from Insta360, their desktop editing software is absolute magic. They've been doing 360 reframing for years. It is robust, easy to use, and incredibly powerful. DJI's software, unfortunately, is still confusing. Trying to create projects or access old files feels clunky and annoying. If you care deeply about an easy editing process, the Antigravity A1 takes the win. Finally, we have to talk about the price. The Antigravity A1 combo with the drone, motion controller, and goggles will cost you around $1,300. The final price for the DJI Avata 360 is still slightly under wraps, but early leaks suggest it will be significantly more affordable than the A1. So, which one should you actually buy? Here is my honest opinion. If you want a drone that is super lightweight, avoids registration laws, and gives you the absolute best desktop editing software in the world, the Antigravity A1 is a fantastic piece of tech. But if you want peace of mind, the DJI Avata 360 is the clear winner. The built-in propeller guards, the smart landing camera, the traditional remote control option, and that unbeatable video signal make it a much safer and more versatile investment. Plus, the fact that you can shoot in single lens mode makes it 2 drones in 1. DJI really thought of everything. If you got some value out of this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who loves drones. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let me know down in the comments below, are you Team DJI or Team Antigravity? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.